Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called Which Cabinet Finishes Are the Most Durable? Let's dive into the world of cabinet finishes, where beauty meets brute strength, and every surface stands a daily test of wear and tear that could rival a toddler's toy box. Cabinets must withstand everything from sticky fingers and culinary chaos to the occasional head-on collision with rogue appliances. So, how do you make sure yours don't bow out before their time? First on the list, we have laminate finishes. Now, don't snub your nose at laminate just yet. While it might harken memories of 70s basements, today's laminates are tough cookies. They're more resilient than a cactus in the Phoenix sun, resoundingly resisting scratches, stains, and heat, more successfully than my grandma's pies resist a second helping. When in doubt about durability on a budget, laminates offer a surprisingly strong, stylish option. Next up is the ever-popular veneer finish, essentially thin layers of real wood applied over a core material. Veneers provide authentic wood grains without a hefty price tag, though they demand a bit more TLC. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. But treat them right, and veneers bring the timeless elegance of wood to your space, even where the little ones may run rampant. Then, let's not ignore thermofoil, another sturdy contender. This vinyl layer fused to engineered wood proves as resistant as they come. It'll slough off heat, humidity, and abrasions like water off a duck's back. Perfect for high-demand kitchen conditions where spills and splashes are as common as culinary catastrophes. Thermofoil also offers a sleek, polished finish. For the purists out there, solid wood remains a beloved classic. While it may require a loving touch and occasional refinishing, natural wood is unmatched in its lifespan and character, aging gracefully like a perfectly seasoned skillet. Just remember to keep an eye on it. Occasional touch-ups will ensure it stays in tip-top shape for years down the line. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Always ensure an experienced contractor aids in cabinet selection, ensuring compatibility with your home's layout while understanding the specific rigors your household demands. So, whether you're drawn to laminate's resilience, veneer's elegance, thermofoil's reliability, or the timeless allure of solid wood, consider how each fits into the waltz of your daily routine. Choose with both eyes open, securing a finish that dances between style, function, and durability over the long haul. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.